The Prime Minister, Dr. Barnabus Sibusiso Dlamini, on behalf of His Majesty King Mswati III, Her Majesty the Indlovukazi, the government of the Kingdom of Swaziland, and the people of Swaziland, has expressed heartfelt condolences to the family of the former Prime Minister Sotja Dlamini on his passing on. The Prime Minister says Sotja served as Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Swaziland from the year 1986 to 1989, and he was a man of honor and principle and a fine leader of His Majesty's government. The Premier says he personally had the privilege of serving as Minister for Finance in Sotja's cabinet that included Benim Shamdane Sibanze, Sir George Mamba, King Mtsetwa, Shiftambuza Lukele, amongst others. Now, Sotja took the reins of head of government as His Majesty King Mswati III ascended the throne and gave His Majesty dedicated and valuable support during the first years of his reign. Dlamini says a book of condolences will shortly be opened and Sotja will be given a state funeral once government has conducted discussions with his family. The nation will be duly informed on the details of the funeral.